I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating the network and device prerequisites. This is where fixes happen fast. Restart both the router and your streaming device and wait 60 seconds before reconnecting. Move closer to the router so the signal is stronger, within 3 to 6 feet if possible. Then close background apps or downloads on the device and reduce other connected devices to 1 or 2 streams. This frees bandwidth so LiveNet TV can buffer less and play smoother. Once connected and background load is reduced, change practical settings to improve playback. If your router and device support 5 GHz, switch bands for higher throughput and less congestion. Otherwise, consider Ethernet for a stable link. Lower the LiveNet TV stream quality to 480p or 720p so the player needs less bandwidth. Also, enable hardware acceleration in the app where available. It offloads decoding to the GPU and prevents to finish perform deeper checks and fixes that resolve persistent buffering. Clear the app cache and data, or reinstall LiveNet TV to remove corrupt files. This often fixes playback errors. Try a different stream or channel to rule out source problems, and test a VPN briefly if you suspect ISP throttling. Finally, run a speed test. Aim for 5 to 10 megabits per second for HD or 2 to 3 for standard definition. If below that, contact your ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.